Starting around 25 November 2023, torrential slide, commonly sort of, is exchanging at $20.85 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in especially most recent 1 hour. Amazingly, Avax by and large really has a sort of, in every practical sense, complete market cap of $7,611,164,680 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $405,045,457, or so they very thought. This for the most part by and large makes torrential slide, Avax, by and large, fundamentally positioning at 13 in the cryptographic money market, which truly is very critical. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide generally truly be genuinely worth in 2023, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Is torrential slide a kind of wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner, in a significant way? Will Avax value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they most certainly thought? These in a real sense are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future in a really significant manner. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023, as per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost fundamentally is supposed to basically generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $23.16, the normal essentially least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $22.09. Fundamentally sort of additional appearance how Avax in a real sense basically has a very complete market cap of $7,611,164,680 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $405,045,457 in an unobtrusive manner, which generally is very huge. Additionally, Avax can truly arrive at a quite most extreme value level of $24.03, showing how on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide really be by and large especially worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation November 2023. The cost of torrential slide sort of is especially anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach at a fundamentally least worth of $20.35 in November 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. The Avax cost could sort of arrive at a greatest worth of $23.13, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $22.49 all through 2023. So the Avax cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $23.13, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $22.49 all through 2023, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value figure December 2023. The really normal cost of torrential slide, Avax, could for the most part go to $23.16 toward the finish of December 2023 in an unpretentious manner, or so they by and large thought. Avax could really be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $24.03, with the genuinely least expected cost of $22.09 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide pretty past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been explicitly diminished by 2.15% in its in every practical sense current worth, which all things considered basically is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Assuming we sort of look at the especially really current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which for the most part in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Torrential slide for the most part is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Avax really is down to nearly 1.24% over the most recent 7 days, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for ridiculously past kind of couple of days. The coin could especially have sort serious areas of strength for of yet, we don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in sort of momentary in a kind of fundamentally significant manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. Inside the decently kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax in every way that really matters diminished by 1.842%, killing an astounding especially normal amount of $0.3913 from its reasonably exceptionally current worth in a kind of large manner. This unexpected down, especially by and large, implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a genuinely decent, basically, for the most part, purchase, a potential open door for genuinely fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change truly generally is around 14.67%, and the cost explicitly certainly flowed from a sort of least exceptionally normal cost of $16.54 to especially kind of greatest entirely normal cost of $18.27 in the precise beyond 90 days, which for the most part generally is very huge, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In by and large most recent 4 months torrential slide, especially fundamentally, has shown a developing pattern, showing how for the most part is torrential slide a for the most part wise venture, or really worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, we in a real sense for the most part believe that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide in a real sense is expanded from 4 months in a kind of significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in a decently kind of significant manner. The coin truly is up by 42.06%, with the by and large greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin especially was around $11.78, and the especially least lovely typical cost of generally was around $11.56 in especially beyond 4 months. Showing how torrential slide generally is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins, which especially is very critical in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value conjecture 2023 facts. What will be torrential slide exceptionally worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Incredibly, the Avax cost explicitly is estimated to really especially arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $24.03, with in every practical sense least cost of $22.09 toward the finish of 2023 in a fundamentally quite enormous manner, which is genuinely huge. Torrential slides for the most part have a future, which for the most part is very critical. As far as value, torrential slide basically has a remarkable truly potential to truly arrive at new levels, pretty further appearance how the Avax cost could essentially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $23.13, with the entirely normal exchanging worth of $22.49 all through 2023. So the Avax cost could generally arrive at a pretty especially most extreme worth of $23.13, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $22.49 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. It for the most part is gauge that Avax will increment in esteem, which by and large really shows that will Avax value outperform its unequaled high, which by and large is very critical, or so they basically thought. As per quite unambiguous specialists and business examiners, torrential slide can truly stir things up